Let's face it, moms, sometimes meal times can become pure chaos between the work and the school and everything else. Planning healthy and delicious meals can sometimes feel like an impossibility. And I get it, and I've been there, especially the last few months. That what's for dinner question, we've asked it way more than I can count. But here's a secret. You don't have to be a gourmet chef to create delicious and healthy meals for your family. And that's where meal planning comes in. And I know, the thought of adding one more thing to your already overflowing plate, with the kids and everything happening, can feel daunting. But trust me, meal planning is your superpower as a mom. It's not about creating Pinterest-worthy masterpieces every single night, but it's about taking back control and reducing the stress for you and putting healthy and delicious meals on the table for your family. Food that they will actually eat. And here's the reason why meal planning is a game changer. The first thing is that it will save you a lot of money. Every time you go into the supermarket and you don't know exactly what you're going to buy because you did not make a plan beforehand, means that you're actually going to spend money on things that you will not use. You don't have to spend an hour of your brain space every day thinking, what are we going to eat today? You can make a plan for like 10 to 15 minutes every week, and that will save you a lot of time in the long run. And it's also going to reduce the stress. You can feel calm and know that you're prepared for the rest of the day and possibly the rest of the week or even month. And it's going to help you to come out of your box. The things that you're used to eating day in and day out, you can try new foods now. And meal planning doesn't have to be complicated. This is the thing that I have learned now that I have 2 children. It can be a method that works for you. You can find a website or an app online, or you can even just use a simple notebook and make a plan that works for you, a plan that you will actually implement. And don't be afraid to get creative. Use leftovers for lunch and repurpose them for even some new meals. And there is no shame. When you don't have the time, you can use cheat meals. You can either order out or have a very simple meal that you can run to. So if you're there and you want to eliminate the chaos from your life, I am here to help you. I am here to help you take that huge weight off of your shoulders. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel to find out more on how you can meal plan.